Of old sat freedom on the heights, the thunders breaking at her feet. Above her shook the starry lights. She heard the torrents meet. There in her place she did rejoice, self-gathered in her prophet mind, but fragments of her mighty voice came rolling on the wind. Then stepped she down through town and field to mingle with the human race, and part by part to man revealed the fulness of her face. Grave mother of majestic works, from her I'll altar gazing down, who godlike grasps the triple forks and kinglike wears the crown. Her open eyes desire the truth. The wisdom of 1,000 years is in them. May perpetual youth keep dry their light from tears. That her fair form may stand and shine, make bright our days and light our dreams, turning to scorn with lips divine the falsehood of extremes.